Hi students. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Set Status. You will left click on your name under Users and you will see Set Status. Click on Set Status and you have several options to choose from. You can set away, maybe if we're on a break, and it looks like this. You can clear your status and the picture will change. So if you want to raise your hand, you choose raise and the hand picture. And your picture over here where your initials are will change. If I ask you how you're feeling, you can see undecided, confused, sad, or happy. So I'm going to say I'm happy right now. Clear. Sometimes I will ask you, is this okay or not okay? Are you ready or not ready? And then we will use the thumbs up or the thumbs down option. If everybody's done a good job, we can even applaud and clap for everybody. I hope this is helpful for you. You find it helpful. And you can watch this as often as you need to so that when you come back to class, you will be ready. So status, click, choose, and clear status.